Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the watch and charger. First, make sure the watch has enough battery. Place it on the magnetic charger and wait a minute. You do this because an almost dead battery can prevent startup. Once charging begins, the screen will respond. Next, locate the side button under the digital crown. That's the button you'll press. Finally, if the watch is in a case, remove it so buttons and sensors are free to operate. Now you'll power it on and begin setup. Press and hold the side button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Release when you see it. Once the watch boots, pick language and region on the watch directly. Then, bring your iPhone within a few inches. The iPhone will detect the watch and prompt pairing. Use the iPhone camera to scan the animation on the watch face or tap to set up manually if the automatic method fails. Finish by signing into your Apple ID, creating a passcode, and choosing which apps and settings to sync. This optimizes security and features. Make sure health, location, and notifications are enabled so the watch works as expected. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and your iPhone and retry pairing. Often a restart clears temporary issues. As a last resort, perform a hard reset by holding the side button and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.